Hi everyone, I'm going to talk about part 2 test today. 5 key things to remember for your part 2 test. The people having a part 2, all the best to them. So these 5 things might be able to give them little bit help. Number 1, learn to do all maneuvers in one go. Please make sure you practice in a difficult area and learn to do all maneuvers in one go. Remember, you are allowed only 6 driving folds, and if while you're doing maneuver, if you're correcting it for some reason, it's going to class as a driving fold. So please don't lose your point here. Number 2, on a motorway, you will be driving possibly 2 to 3 miles most in my experience. But remember, once you join the motorway, you need to show positive drive. Get to the motorway, overtake people, come back to your left lane. Never undertake a car. Never undertake a car. If you undertake the car, it's directly failing their test. Please don't make this mistake. Do not undertake the car. Number 3, while you are in a joining the dual carriage or leaving the dual carriage through slip road, many times they have a bold marking. Please don't touch that bold marking. If you're following TomTom will be giving you advice, keep right or bear right. It doesn't mean you're going to change the lane now. It means once center reservation marking start, then you can change the lane. So very common mistake most people do it. As soon as they've been asked to stay right or left, they just change the lane. Don't do that. Make sure you're aware of your surroundings. Number 4, don't be hesitant to do 6-point checks, left and right blind spot thoroughly, and don't rush it. Do it properly. And last, not the least, it is very important when you learning or practicing for part 2 test, learn about all junctions in detail. Have a good understanding about the junctions, including you should know what is given marking, how and when, how to deal with it. Stop sign unmarked junction, roundabout. Understand all of them, how you can do them effectively, because this is your advanced driving skill and you need to demonstrate your driving skill. Remember, you're allowed to make only 6 driving folds. If you make more, it's going to cost you a test. Okay, and yeah, that's all I can say today. I wish you all the best. The people is going to part 2. There's a long waiting time, so please don't lose this opportunity. Take a lesson, some professionalist, an experienced, trainer. Get yourself ready, be yourself. Don't rush it. It's a normal drive. Just drive, but remember the key element of part 2. All the best.